Sneeze every time someone tells a lie? Okay, this should be interesting.
Hey, I'm gonna go to the store. Bless you.
You're going to the store? Okay, bring me some hot Cheetos.
Okay, I will. Why do you keep sneezing?
Allergies. She is not gonna lie to me. We're definitely following her. Let's put this disguise on and let's go follow her. Hey babe, what are you doing?
I'm just playing basketball.
You're playing basketball?
Yeah, I gotta go. Bye.
Okay. There she is. That's not the store. She's at the beach with the boy. Who's the lucky man? Babe? What are you doing here with my sister?
It's not what it looks like, I swear.